Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys are here with me today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my everyday go-to makeup routine with you guys. I'm super excited. I've just done a lot of full glam looks here on my channel, and I'm really excited to bring you something that is much more low-key, a little bit more natural. I gotta make a little disclaimer here that my makeup routine, like my everyday makeup routine, is gonna be a little bit more than what the average person may be used to wearing. But this is what I feel comfortable with, so I'm just doing me. Anyways, so I'm very, very excited to share my everyday makeup routine with you guys, and I hope you're all excited to see. So if you're interested in it, definitely keep on watching and we'll get to blending. So I like to start off with a clean base, obviously. So I just got done cleansing it, threw on a little bit of lip balm. I do like to go in with some toner. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my Botanics, The Power of Plants 100% Organic Refreshing Toning Spritz. Then I like to get down to business and start off with brows. The eyebrow pencil I like to use is the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. And I'm going to go ahead and take the spoolie and blend my eyebrows upward just to kind of get them in one direction. Alright, I like to take the pencil and start making light hair-like strokes. I try not to really touch the front part of my eyebrow just because I feel like there are plenty of hairs in that area, and it's mainly the tail of my brow that needs help. My angled brow brush that I always use has been missing for several days, and I'm getting a little irritated, you know? Then what I like to do is draw a line right beneath the eyebrow just to start framing out the eyebrow, giving it some shape, giving it some structure. Then what I like to do is take a concealer and carve out my eyebrows. I don't use a particular concealer. It just kind of depends on my mood, what kind of concealer I'm feeling. But today I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade Alabaster. So I'm taking this concealer and I'm using a F70 concealer brush from Sigma, and I'm just going to clean up the bottom of the brow. So I'm going to go back into that NYX micro brow pencil and just draw an arch and fill in that gap. Then I like to follow up with my NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. Set those bad boys in place. I swear I just spent 20 minutes doing my eyebrows. It's a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin. I always love to use the Belif, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I just take a little bit of that and I lather this on. Next, I'm going to prime. I love to use the Too Faced HangoveRX Replenishing Face Primer. Super good, super moisturizing, and will keep your foundation on. Been a big fan of this, and it smells really good. And next, I like to take the Milk Makeup Highlighting Stick in the shade Lit. And what I like to do is take this and apply it on the high points of the cheeks. I like very luminous skin, so I like to apply this so we have a luminous finish once we apply our foundation. All right, for foundation, there are several that I like to use. It honestly just kind of depends on the mood, what I'm feeling for the day. And recently I've been using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation. This one looks super natural, and if I'm wanting like extra dewy skin, this is what I reach for. So what I like to do is basically just take the product that I need. Use about half of a pump for each side of the face. But what I like to do to make my face a little bit more luminous is I like to take the Makeup Revolution Champagne Liquid Highlighter and just apply a drop to the face. And what I like to do is when I am blending out the foundation with my damp beauty blender, the highlighter is going to mix in with the foundation and give it a little bit more luminosity. Alright, now we can follow up with some concealer. I'm just going to go ahead and use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I like this because it gives a good amount of coverage. It doesn't feel too heavy and doesn't look cakey. And now we're going to mix some highlighter in our concealer. Just kidding, just kidding. I think we have enough glow. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with my damp beauty blender really quickly. And I like to take whatever concealer I have left on my beauty blender and use that to highlight the center of the face. So now I'm going to follow up with highlighter, and I always use the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in a double gleam. This is just the most beautiful highlighter I've ever used, and I'm obsessed with it. So I like to pile it on my F35 tapered highlighter brush from Sigma. I just like to apply it to the high points of the face. I'm just living my best life, glowing. Okay, I like to take it on the chin. Keep it slow. The nose, for sure. And then right above the eyebrow. Okay, before our concealer starts to crease, I'm gonna go in and set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I just like to take it on the under eye area, and I'll just apply it with my damp beauty blender. I'm gonna follow up and set my eyelids just because we applied our foundation over it. I'm gonna go in and bronze. I always use my good old Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel Bronze Universal, and I'm using an F40 Large Angled Contour from Sigma. This has just changed my life. I'm gonna go in and lightly bronze. And as always, I like to take this around the edge of the face, just so my cheekbones are not the only thing that is bronzy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the powder. I don't like to leave it there for too long. So for blush, most of the time I like to use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Palette. I love Hourglass blushes. The formulas are amazing. They stay literally all day long. Usually I like to go for Incandescent Electra, this shade in the middle. And with my Real Techniques fluffy blush brush, I like to glide this along the cheekbones. I've been liking to use this technique as of lately because it really highlights my cheekbones and gives my cheekbones a serious structure, and I'm loving it. It's so pretty and natural. Cute. Next, I like to curl my eyelashes in preparation for mascara. So I'm just gonna use my Shiseido eyelash curler. Okay, and we are gonna be using mascara today. I'm going to go in with the Roller Lash Mascara, and this is from Benefit. I'm loving this. It really lengthens my lashes and holds the curl really well. And before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and set that cream bronzer with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm just so obsessed with this. I couldn't imagine finding a bronzer that worked better than some good old butter bronzer. So I'm just lightly running over the contour with it, just to kind of set it in place, add a little bit more warmth. And for every day, I like to go with like a super natural lip color, something that's just going to hydrate my lips but also add some color. So I've been obsessed with using the Sephora lip oil. Bubbly Grenadine. Grenadine. I don't know. And that is going to conclude my everyday makeup routine. It's going to be a little bit more glamorous than what everyone else may be used to, but I'm used to wearing a little bit more makeup, and I just really like this look. We have very long lashes, full brows, very luminous, glowy, dewy skin, and I just love the look. I feel like it's really appropriate for every day, and I just really like it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your everyday makeup routine is. Do you like something a little bit more dramatic, something smoky, something very natural, like no makeup? Let me know. I would love to know. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel before you head out so you don't miss out on any of the future uploads I make. You definitely don't want to miss out, so hit the red button, subscribe. It's easy, it's quick. Go ahead, subscribe. I love you guys so very much. I hope you have a great day and a fantastic rest of your week. Jesus loves you guys so very much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye, guys.